Hey folks, we're tracking clouds overhead pretty much all day long, and they've certainly thickened up this evening. And in some places we're seeing rain, and in some places we're seeing a radar and Brownsville going down. Right as we got to the newscast, a lot of rain coming up, light stuff, and then boom, it disappears. The rain's not gone. The radar has gone on the fritz for a little while. Hopefully it'll come back soon, but we know that there's light rain and drizzle out there, and there probably will be for the next few hours. Future track suggests that 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, that's when we're most likely to see stuff. And the farther south and east you go, the more likely you are to see it. You get back into northern Starr County, up into Brooks and Jim Hogg County, not so much. But again, along the river down toward Brownsville, that's your best chance. Now this is 1 o'clock in the morning. It's all light, nothing really big, maybe a quarter of an inch total. If we see one place that picks up a half an inch, that's going to be an extreme. Most places a lot less than that. Some places not much at all. And by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, the clouds are still here, but by then it looks like most, if not all, the rain is gone. Anything in the morning would be right along the coast and moving out, and then it's dry. And during the afternoon tomorrow, the sun comes back out. Should turn out to be a nice day, albeit a little bit cool. We probably won't get out of the 60s tomorrow afternoon. Then you go to Saturday, and I think we've got some high clouds coming across. These are not the kind that create rain or anything else. They're just high clouds, a thin veil of those cirrus clouds that keeps us from being just a clear blue sky, but still a fair amount of sunshine. Sunday, same kind of thing. It's a mix of clouds and sun, but still looks like a nice day and probably a little bit warmer by the time we get to Sunday. So our rain chances showing 10% tomorrow. That's probably pre-dawn and higher than that before the sun comes up. Once the sun comes up, there's really not much chance anymore. And then we're dry all the way through the weekend. Late Sunday night into early Monday, the chance shows up again. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now. It's cool to 56 in Edinburgh, 59 in Westlaco. McAllen's still holding at 60, about 65 in Port Isabel. The beach at 64 right now. Overnight, readings should bottom out in the low to mid-50s, pretty much valley-wide, the exception being the island at 60. But with the clouds and the light showers, it'll feel pretty cool. And then tomorrow, no warmer than the mid-60s in most areas. Northerly winds 7 to 14. We'll stay cool until the sun comes out. Then we'll warm up to these readings during the afternoon. Normal high for this time of year is 72. We won't make it tomorrow. We'll be in the mid-60s. Closer to normal on Saturday, then back above average by the time we get to Sunday. The record's not going to be threatened anytime soon. Bigger picture shows a lot of moisture pouring into South Texas and the upper levels of the atmosphere. Underneath that, there's a lot of moisture as well. Big upper storm system sitting right here, and when that moves eastward, that gives us our best chance for some light rain, but it's out of here by tomorrow. A cool front on the map doesn't get here, so we continue to see kind of a westerly wind in the upper atmosphere on Saturday. By the time we get to Saturday afternoon, that flow bends and comes out of the northwest for a while. That dries the air out, gives us a little more sunshine. Those high clouds kind of squished back to the southwest for a while, but late Sunday, everything turns again. The flow comes back out of the southwest. That brings moisture back in, and by Sunday night, could be a brief shower. We're tracking a pretty good front for the middle part of next week. At the coast, here's what's happening. Winds out of the northeast turning to the north 15 to 20, choppy on the bay. UV index is moderate. There's a low risk of rip currents and again, scattered showers during the overnight hours. So tonight 53, cloudy, chilly, scattered showers, mostly light stuff. And then tomorrow, something early like dawn or before. By late afternoon, at least a little bit of sunshine. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast. The next 7 days, we take it back in the 70s for the weekend. I think a fair amount of sunshine both days. Sunday night, Monday, a slight chance for a shower. Wednesday, big question mark goes here. We're saying 57. Could start warmer than that, but then cool off behind a front. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.